Welcome to Value 7 second quarter. The second quarter covered part 2 stories of the first Christian missionaries. Saul, who became Paul, was invited by Barnabas, the son of encouragement, to help strengthen the new church in Antioch. After Antioch, they went to different places. With John Mark, he was the young man cousin of Barnabas. At Salamis, they were invited by Sergius Paulus, the Roman proconsul. He wanted to listen the story of Jesus. Then Elymas, the magician, interrupted them. Paul shouted, "You son of the devil, you enemy of all righteousness, full of deceit and villainy, will you not stop making crooked the straight path of the Lord? And now, behold, the hand of the Lord is upon you, and you shall be blind, unable to see the sun for a time." And Elymas lost his sight. One of the many adventures of Saul and Barnabas were: 1. They were mistaken for God and faced an angry mob. The people almost killed Paul, but Barnabas escaped. Number 2, Paul with Silas, his new companion, were singing in jail. Then an earthquake freed them, and the jailman with his family was converted to Christianity. Do you know that wherever Paul went, he is always making the word upside down? Why is it like that? Because the sermon he was telling, it stirred up the spirit of the people.